Guys, welcome back to my channel and happy new week to everyone. Thank you all for joining me once again for my weekly CVS deals video. We got the same instant CRTs we received last week because the one we had expired on Saturday, and we also received some new digital coupons. Check your apps and also scan the products in store to see what attaches to them. If this is your first time here, I would like to welcome you. Thanks for joining us and I hope you become a part of this channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share this video, and let's get into this week's deal. The first deal I have here is on Garnier facial care. I shared this deal last week, but I'm sharing it again this week because I received a 5 off 2 facial care CRT in my email. And Garnier facial care is on the deal of buy 2, get $5 extra care box bag, and it's a limit of 1. Pick up 2 black peel off marks priced at $9.29. And the second one will be $4.65. Both will total $13.94. I have a 2 of 10 Garnier facial care CRT and a 5 of 2 Sun of facial care product CRT I got in my email. And we also have a $2 Garnier digital coupon that will apply and drop it down to $4.94, and you get $5 extra care box back, making both free and a 6 cents money maker. If you have today's save insert, there is a 5 off 2 coupon that will apply to this deal and drop it down to $1.94, and you get $5 extra care box back, and that will make it $3.06 money maker. You can also check your Ibotta to see if you have any rebate. I know as of last week we had one, but mine disappeared. If you still have yours, that will be a bigger money maker. The next deal I have will be on Poise Ultra 10 pads. On the deal of buy 2, you get $2 extra care box back, and it's a limit of 1. Pick up 2 of the Poise Ultra 10 28 count pads. They're on sale for 2 for $13. We have a 5 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to 8, and you get $2 extra care box back. And submit your receipt to Ibotta for $2 back on each. That will be a total of $4 back. That will end up making both $2 or $1 each. The next deal I have is on St. Ives body wash. They are part of the buy 2 get $4 extra care box back, and it's a limit of 1. Pick up 2. They are priced at $5.59 each. Both will total $11.18. There is no coupon in the app attaching to this. If you have a percentage of CRT and you don't mind paying out of pocket, you can use it with this deal. Or this can be a good filler item if you have a 10 off 70 or 20 off 100. Without any coupon or CRT, pay the $11.18 and get $4 extra care box back, making both $7.18 or $3.59 each. The next deal is another buy 2 get $4 extra care box back, and Gillette Shave Foam is part of this deal. They're on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off, and they are priced at $4.19. Picking up 2, the first one will be $4.19 and the second one will be $2.10. Both will total $6.29. Last week we had a $1 digital coupon that is attaching to this, but it expired on Saturday. I did not receive anyone for the new week. Pay the $6.29 and get $4 extra care box back, making both $2.29 or $1.15 each. The next deal I have is on Palmer Skincare. They're on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off, and when you buy 2, you get $6 extra care box back. Pick up 2 of the Palmer Swivel Stick. They are priced at $8.59, and the second one will be $4.30. Both will total $12.89. I checked the app. We currently don't have any coupon for these products. Pay the $12.89 and get $6 extra care box back, making both $6.89 or $3.45 each. The next deal I have is the spend 30 get $10 extra care box back, and it's a limit of 1. Pick up 1 of the detangling deep conditioner priced at $6.59 and the regular conditioner priced at $5.19. These are on sale for buy 1 get 1 40% off. That means the lower priced one will be the 40% off. That will be the regular conditioner priced at $5.19. And with the 40% off, it's going to be $3.11. To complete this deal, pick up 2 of the Herbal Essence shampoo or conditioner. Mix or match however way you like. They're on sale for buy one get one 40% off, and they are priced at $12.49. That means the second one will be $7.49. These 4 products are going to total $29.68, and that's within the 98% rule of the spend 30. We have a 3 off 2 Aussie digital coupon, and we also have a $3 off Herbal Essence digital coupon. I have a 4 off 14 Herbal Essence CRT. All the coupons and the CRT will drop it down to $19.68, and you get $10 extra care box back, making these 4 products $9.68 or $2.42 each. The second option I have in this video for the spend 30 get $10 extra care box back is to pick up 2 of the Pampers swim pants. They're on sale for 2 for $22, and pick up 2 of the Aussie hair care. They are priced at $5.19. One will be full price and one will be 40% off. These 4 items are going to total $30.30. For the Pampers, we have a 3 off 2 digital coupon, and for the Aussie hair care, we have a 3 off 2 digital coupon. And that will drop the total down to $24.30, and you get $10 extra care box back. Submit your receipt to Ibotta for $1.50 on each Pampers. That will be a total of $3. And also submit your receipt to Fetch for 1,000 points on each pack. That will be a total of 2,000 points, which is almost $2. And after the $10 extra care box and the 2 rewards, these 4 items will end up costing just $9.30 or $2.33 each. Check your store, cause I found this Essie nail polish on clearance for $4.99, and we have the $4 instant CRT everybody received. Using the $4 instant CRT, it will drop it down to just 99 cents, and this will make a very good filler item. And the board base next to it is on clearance for $5.99, and the emailed 5 off 2 facial care CRT or sun care CRT is attaching to it. You can pick up 2 and use the 5 off 2 email CRT. That will drop it down to $6.98 for both or $3.49 for each pack, and that's a 4 count pack. The next 2 clearance items I found will be on raw sugar products. The first one is the slime goo on clearance for $2.65, and the next one is the Kids Fizzy Bath Bomb on clearance for $3.35. In case you need any of this, and make sure you're scanning your store because there are so many clearance going on right now. And this concludes my video for today. Thank you all for watching, and thank you all for your support, and I'll talk to you all next time. Bye.